Finally, cinema cameras can focus automatically, and this is how you do it with the PDMovie Live Air 4 Smart. Before I take them to real shooting environments, I do test them thoroughly, because if something goes wrong, the client won't wait and won't give you a second chance, and therefore it needs to pass these following tests. Number 1. Installation speed. First, we can see it comes with a lot of accessories, making sure that it can cover all kinds of different cameras. And mounting it on my Komodo was pretty easy. The position sits nicely right above the lens. That's also the best position in my opinion. The only thing I don't like are these round screws. In summer it slips when your hands sweat, and in winter it's hard to grip with gloves on, so hopefully they can finally switch it to a lever style design next time. PDMovie uses this Morse code style single button operation. At first it's a bit unintuitive, but once you get used to it, it's pretty fast. It's just a bit difficult to quickly teach someone this if, let's say, there's a new AC helping you on a job. 2. Setup and calibration. Okay, up next, 2 separate things to know of. One is the setup, the second is the calibration. And now here's my process in how to set up each lenses for the shoot. Find a larger room, then you need a ruler, and I use 2 magazines. PDMovie's setup tool comes with like a lens calibration chart, but I feel my focus is more precise when I focus onto text. You'll notice there are indication lights with different colors in the front. Each of the colors can represent one of the lenses you would like to use. Double click to change the color, and let's say in our case it's white. And I am going to dedicate this to my Tokina 11 to 16mm lens. Now first we need to calibrate the lens, so long press once so it can find the most closest focus point and the furthest focus point. After that, short press once, then long press to enter setup mode. Now there's no resistance on the motor. Set the focus to the most closest point possible, and now move the camera with the help of the magazine slowly forward till you can have the focus on point. Press once and you hear beep, and the first point is set. Now we check the witness mark of the sensor from the camera. We take the ruler, place the 0cm start point here. Now we move the camera back till we hit 60cm, and again use the sensor witness mark to line it up. Now manually focus again till it's sharp, press once and you'll hear beep again. And the second point is set. Now we do the same procedure. We move the ruler's 0cm starting point to the current sensor witness mark. Now we move the camera back till we hit 150cm. We line up again with the witness mark of the sensor, of course. We focus again. It's now sharp. We press once, we hear it beep, and that's it. You have successfully set up one of the lenses with LiDAR. If I put my hand in front, you can see it's reacting. Now this process you will have to do with all the lenses that you will probably use on set. To be able to switch between them smoothly, you can use these color labels, or I usually write them down on my note. It seems a bit cumbersome, but you don't have to do it every time. You just have to do it once before the shoot and then make sure that the mounting positions and so on are consistent. In general, I would say it works with fully manual lenses with hard stops the best. Because these electronic photography lenses, they have infinite rotation. Sometimes it might lose the position tracking. 3. Reliability. Okay, here's the real world test. I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys all kind of different scenarios. Alright, just now we could see that the actual focus area is in the center and a little bit above, just like how we place the LiDAR motor. So if your subject is not framed in the center, it's on the side, then I would not recommend it and rather focus manually. 4. Compatibility and power. For me, there were no issues mounting it on the Komodo. It fits it pretty nicely. In regard of battery life, I tested for 4 hours and it's still working fine. Also in general, I think it won't be an issue because it has a Type-C power input as well. When you use traditional matte boxes, it might block the LiDAR sensor. So they also offer this kind of like smaller size, lightweight matte box. But honestly speaking, for me, I feel it's not that useful since you really can't attach the traditional 4x5.65 filters. And yeah, it just looks cool basically. And just like AI, I think this is just another good tool to have. So say you're a photo focus puller and there's a very tricky shot, maybe you can use the LiDAR to help yourself out. And if there's a shot that needs very precise timing, then pull it manually. So it's great that we have now these options. And to see more awesome content like this, consider to subscribe und bis zum nächsten Mal.